wala pang makeup and I don't know if you can hear me, but ayun. Yes, na ako. Anyway, ulitin natin. A day in my life as a tiger, RAR, Hospitality Management Student Edition. So today is freshman orientation day for our college, which is CTHM, Tourism and Hospitality Management. And nabigyan kami ng chance to do an intermission. Kasi yung organization namin is actually for dancing. And ayun, we've been practicing for ilang days na for this. Kasi we also have another performance. So, stay tuned guys. Ayan, so nasa UST na ako. So actually, it's good to see new freshies. Ako. Kasi parang naisip ko, I was once a freshie. And wala lang. Sarang makakita na like, oh my gosh, so free na ako. Di na fresh, she's so free na. Anyway, nandito ako sa building namin. Sa BG Pop na ko. Best building ever. Kahit nabagal yung elevator. Okay lang yan. People of the world. What are you eating? Show them goods.
Pero possible na.
Ano po? Last year din.